All right, let's see if the music is working. Now. Let me see if I can hear stuff. Okay. Where's the music again? Set up. Some. Why is the music repeating? Did that just do that? Whatever. Let me just add the padding text here. Why not? We need a couple more. Okay, good enough. Good enough for me. We'll add a couple more. stack here. Okay. Okay, so what this question asks, by all the valid combination of k number. The only annoying thing is the music. So let me swap out the music with the old one, I guess. Let me move this up. Okay. The credit is not it. Credit is credit. Okay. Okay. Back to this. Only number 1 to 9 is used. Each number is used at least most. Find a list of all possible valid combination. So like the example they have k equals 3, k equals 7. Mean we need to have an input 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So we pick one. When we can only pick these. Okay, so pick 2. And so let's pick the number 9 over there, because it gives us more things to choose from. So we have 1, 2, 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 6. Then it feel like it's the treat, right? So like if you at any point, so we would just imagine something like, okay, we pick this, then whatever the list, it go to the next recursion. The list will have you pick this, and then you pick these, then the list will do this. right? And then if number you can pick is done, then it's returned, right? So the question becomes, if we pick 6 here, and then we pick 2, it's possible that we should cache it somehow. So I imagine the code doing something like would have resolved return result here. So we would have for I in range of to 9, right? Then we would just number must use at most once. So this is the condition of the first one. First, let's call the type of function called combination sum 3. Okay. So n will not be more than 60. Okay. So in here, we started with the current answer, right? Which is like a list. Call this combination, and then the base case is if length of combination equal to k, and we need to check the duplicate. Check duplicate, and basically result dot append with the list, right? So convert that to list. What we're going to do is we look for this if I not in combination, if I in combination, and we go next or continue, sorry. Otherwise we would call combination sum helper, and we will have combination. How do you do make set from make set Python set, right? Let's take a look. Python 3 set. Okay. I think you can do operation plus, right? So plus right. Basically keys. When we run this, what happens? Okay. Basically we have to do call the function combination sum free helper started with empty set. With this, oh, it's a pipe. Oh, and you need to check if okay. So what we can do is we can do combination sum. So started at 0 and combination sum is equal to and then we pick that number, and then because that's the basic combination sum plus I. So basically we need to do result set we need to avoid the duplicate, right? So that means how do we cache the set of set, or is there a way so that we okay basically it's set here. we need to say that, okay, if we found a number, and if that number is no, we found a set, and that set we already found before, we didn't add. So we see in this case we have, what is it? We have 1 to 6 a lot of time here. See? So either we do a set upset to avoid duplicate, or if we can have a way to so that we never get into duplicate, then that would work too, right? So let's make a result set here. Will be this is the list, so that it comply with the so here we want to say that, okay, if we found in the set combination here, it's not in this result set, right? And the sum equal to the n number, then we add that. We also result set add this combination, right? Let's see what was wrong here. Oh, cannot use set as a set element. Okay, Python set upset, is that possible? Okay, let's do frozen set. Oh, the inner set must be frozen. Okay, so basically they want me to do this way. Frozen set. Frozen set. Is it possible? What? Frozen set is not defined. Okay, LeetCode doesn't let you. There's a good reason why set upset does not work. Okay, we need a way to track that so that we don't have duplicate. So the best thing right now, whatever, let's just, maybe a better way would just be tracking if it's a dictionary. Okay, result dictionary, right? So we do a frequency one, so like what? Is there no way to do, wait, hold on, let's see if we can do a set upset. But if we come across um, we come across that set before, right? That means the frequency of number. So like if we do 1 2 3, right, and then 1 2 4 whatever, 1 2 6, and if we come across that again, we want to be able to say like, okay, I already know, I already looked to that, I don't want to do that again. And then so semantic of Python now is not helping us, right? So one thing we can do though is we convert to string, right? And that should work, right? So like we have a result set, it's like a set of string. Let's do that, right? So here what we do is we have a number here, we make a set here. So this is so stupid, Python. So how do you make a frozen set? So we either convert them to string and then check the or reset in here, right? So let me do a check command line cmd, right? Yeah, Python. If I do set up 1 2 3, right? Give me this, right? So like if I do set up to, oh wait, yeah, so technically I could do is so I convert this to a string, right? So then once I have this, I can test. Do you do? Hold on. I do 1 2 3 4 5 6. What does it give? Okay. So then if I do this, hold on. Then I do 1 2 3 in S. Yes. So this set right here is the string representation of that set. So like 1 to 6 or 6 1 2 6 to 1, whatever, right? 6 1 2 6 to 1, whatever, will give me oh okay. So basically what I need is instead of doing that, I just pass the string here. So for example, 3, 2, 1 in S, no, right? But I need to sort them, right? So I feel like this will do, but it seems not good. But that will do for now. Let's see if we can pass all the test case first. Let's see if we can optimize later on, right? So can I do sorted? Yeah. So we will do is we will just do combination plus string of I. But then this test of character in here will be an O of K, right? This is not good. So we still want the combination set as a set. Okay, fine. So we'll just do combination 5 with the setup. We string up I, right? Syntax. Right? So that means if we do setup 3, 2, 1, it would just will still give me equal setup 1, 2, 3, right? Oh, yes. So now we basically be able to say that then we want to be able to say 3, 2, 1 in setup 1, 2, 3, right? False, because we have to basically sort them, right? So how do we Python set to string? What? I would just make a combination string, right? Why not? Okay. Converting back and forth is crazy. String of I. Right. So if we at the limit, and basically what we want to do is it's set up sorted combination. Okay, set, right? Set up. Okay, sorted combination string not in result set. Then we added sorted combination string. Okay. Oh wait, so we have to string started empty string. Combination string is not defined. Okay. Mirror me limit exceeded. What? Did we infinite loop somehow? It land a combination. Okay, and sorted not in. Okay, so the first thing we need to know is if we here, we for sure if to that, regardless, right? Otherwise, what memory limit exceeded? If sorted combination string is not in result set and combination sum is, then do this. What? We succeeded before, right? And hold on. Does this pass? What? So we call this with that, and then we want to say that if regardless, if it reached the k here, then we return, right? What? So what did we do wrong here? I in combination then continue. Otherwise we pick that number. When we pick that number we get set. Oh, I see. No matter what we do here, we basically what about if we do this? So we call this function first, and then we oh okay, I see. So problem here is we keep iterating over and over again with this, right? Right, we want to say that let's start with so we want to pass the input here, right? The choices, right? So about choices, not choices, then we return, right? If the length is this and the combination sum equal to, okay, wait, hold on, let's not do this first, hold on. Why do we struggle with this? Right, then return, right? So does this pass? No. So the condition here is actually wrong because we keep iterating over this stuff right here, right? So we want to say that if the number of choices that we make here is basically saying that if so we can also say that if combination sum, hold on, is actually greater than uh, is greater than n, then there's no point in picking again, right? Okay, see, okay, good. And then if the length is this, and right, and then okay, so this is return, then we do this. Okay, what happened here? Combination string is not defined. About this as well. You're not using this as the set element, right? Can I not? Oh, sorted up the string here. Basically, give me that. Okay. So let's say sorted. Save the value. Sorted string equal to join up. Okay. So basically, what we ask is if this string is not in this set and add this, right? So for example, if we have ss equal to 1 2 3, right, the set is set up 1 2 3, right? So now we actually need to track a set of string, right? So if we have this, actually, so right, so 4 5 6, right? Wow, 44 minutes already. No. Okay, so now imagine after we have that, we would have 3 2 1 join sorted, right? So we ask if in s, right? Yes, that should do. So first we add if right, if the length equal this, then we check if combination sum is in, then we say that okay, found a set, then we will actually cache them. We if combination sum equals that, and says not in result set, right? Then we would add the string. Yep. And if it is okay, that should be this one. Okay, what's wrong here? One, two, three. 1, 2, 4. Yeah, this is correct. Okay, hold on. Let's print our result set. And also our result and some of these. What does it have? So first we have 1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. What is this? Case 1. So this is 6. Let's ask print combination sum here. What do we do here? Seven. And the result set is what is it? 1, 1, 2, 3. And what is our combination here? Okay, go 3. So we have 3, 2, 1. Good. Right. Sum 7. Good. 3 plus 1 plus 2. 1, 2, 4 as well. Oh, this is actually 8. Oh, 6. Right? So actually, let's do else. Too much debugging. Not big. I want to know why does it become 1, 1, 2, 3? Interesting. So first we have this 0. Good. If the sum is greater than n, there's no point. Otherwise, if it is less than n, so if the combination equal to n, then we check, right? And let's check this string. So if it is not in this result, then we add the result to this result set.ss, and then we report the result. If it is already in, then we don't pick, right? Otherwise, that means the combination term is less than n, right? If it is less than n, then we have a chance to pick more. Right? So if length of combination is already greater than the condition is we can only pick k number, right? So if combination is greater than, for sure, 10, and also if or the length of this combination is already greater than k, right? Return. So here means either combination sum, if the combination is actually equal to n, then we check. If it's not equal to n, else if it is not, so this means the sum is less than or equal to n, right? So this means less than n, right? But if length of combination right now is actually greater than k, then we also turn, right? So the condition actually means if sum is greater than n, we turn, or if length is that, or greater than k. Okay, so we already have that together over there, right? So if sum is this and that, then let's print out. What did we do wrong? Oh, now it's picking. What is this? Oh man, I don't think this problem is hard at all. Just struggling with the semantics. Why is it 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 though? What the hell? So we first started empty string, okay? And go to here. If I is in combination, then continue. Then that means we pick a 1. So if we pick one, right, we don't want to pick again. One, right? So then the question is, why does the second time print pick? Right, so why does it pick? Keep picking that. What is our combination here? Oh, I see. Wanna do this? So combination gonna be this, right? Okay, so now we don't want to do this because we have it correct. Okay, 1 2 4 and 1 2 4, good. 1 2 4, good. Time it's already in here, yeah. And the condition for picking this would just be if the combination sum is this, so like, okay, found a sum. Okay, so only time when this last earth pick is land up, combination must be equal to okay. Yep, perfect. So we do 1 2 4, right? Okay, not the most perfect, but it works. We will see if we can even pass the test case. Submit this. Wrong answer. Okay. This is test case and see what happened. What did we do wrong here? K equal 9 and we expecting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so why do we not do that? So combination sum, let's see. Let's print combination sum. Combinations. Okay. What did we do wrong? Does it even get to number 9 here? Why? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 number and K equal 9, right? What condition make it return? Okay, so let's do this. Oh wait. Oof. This is because Python doesn't loop till, okay, right? So what happened here is for I in range 1 to 9, it doesn't print the, oh, right, it will go to 8. We have to do 10. Okay, fit for is Python range does not cover the n, as well as the other one is setup set. Okay, so let's do this. Yeah. Submit. Okay, so we solved this, but I feel like there's some huge complexity we have here. Oof, whatever this is. So right now our runtime is, can we optimize the solution better? We have this, we have that. Okay. So the first thing is, I was maybe, is it possible to not to check duplicate without the sorted string stuff, right? Okay, so that is solution number 1. Let's call this, copy this into solution 1, right? Whatever this is, we'll have self k and n. Right, this solution is not very good, right? So right now the solution can do cell.solve. Oh no, solution 1 k and n, right? So right now possible for us to optimize them. Now do this. Okay. This will just be failing for now. Okay. So our solution here basically have some complexity of, like, we check this, maybe this is the bottleneck, right? And if we have a way to so if each number is u at most 1, then basically can we do bismasking, right? So like, let's say if we have a bit, right, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So like we do our own map, right? Bit map, right? So let's say 1 2 3, right? Will be 0 1 1 1, right? Everything else 0, right? So 3 2 1 also have this, right? So we can just take the 9-bit out, right? So we just do we can store like the set in term of we picking the bit mask, right? Something like that, right? So that's the second solution I think we can do, right? We can do bit masking, right? So right now our approach is, look at the runtime is horrible, but it does the job. Oh, it doesn't take the 0, right? Right. So we do that. If we do that, will it make our solution better? So if we do that, we don't have to maintain this thing. We don't have to sort the string, I think. And maybe instead of doing like recursion, right, we do iterative solution, right? So let's try that. So first, let's try a recursive first. Let's try a recursion with bitmask, right? We want to say that right. So central to everything, we still do that, right? So we want to say that our combination is actually starting out 0, right? So to check if the number I is in the position, right? So we gotta write a small function. So in combination, basically number so given a n, given a combination bit mask, call this CBM, right? Is it in the thing, right? So basically we want to see if that bit number is set, right? So basically we want to say we want to on send one receive by number, right? And then we end with CBM, right? So this will, okay, for example, if we want to see if this one is set, right? We ship one by so Okay, so first we gotta ship the number to the beginning, right? So first we gotta do is so basically we want number 3 is set. We wanna do 1 here, right? So basically we ship 1 left. So first we ship left 1, we ship 1 here, 1. We ship left 10 times. Oh wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Ship 8 times, right? Right. So basically we start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So we ship 8 times. And then we ship right because we do the least significant bit left, right? So we said first we split, we get this, right? So we wanna know if the bit 3 is shipped, then we ship right 0, 0, 1, right? So we ship n minus 1. We ship right n minus 1. And then we basically say, right, 1, 2, yeah. And this will be, and we end with the CBM, right? That that will give us the result of this will be 0, 0. Okay. And then we end with this, right? We end with it. It was 0, everything except the third position. And we say that equal, and then we have to, after that we gotta shift right, right? Uh, so we shift left, and then we gotta basically say we end that. How to check if the let's go through this because very convoluted right now. How to check if a bit position is set. Left shift, right? I did that. Right, so basically we want to do if in combination already, then we do I here combination, and we don't pick that numbers, right? Otherwise we have this. Okay, what is the checking a bit set is now. Yeah, I already have a solution here for that, but I think what I can do is I want to check if the set already um been cover. by doing bitmaps. And then I think the second one I can do is second solution I do the iterative instead of recursion, right? So yeah, pretty much checking the because my runtime is horrible, but it does the job. Yeah. So basically, for checking duplicate, I already have that. Like I said here, what I did earlier is I basically make a combination string here. As soon as I do that, I just do this, and I sort that and I track them in the result set. Horrible, but it's yeah. I mean, sure, that's what I'm thinking. It does the job, but its ranking is it's tough. It's bad. So what I'm thinking is right now, same solution. Instead of doing this sorted thing here, um, can k go to what? K go to 9. So it's not actually not improving, but I just also want to practice bit set as well, right? And then I'm gonna convert this to iterative solution. Think. What's your idea? Any idea to do better? I could challenge you to see if you can figure out a way to do your best so that there's only a unique sequence of try. But if you want to practice, oh yeah, that's what I also have earlier. Like with the way I'm going like this, I always have to check for duplicate. But what you said makes sense. If we can just avoid like going into duplicate the input set, the input sequence, then I don't have to check that, right? But yeah, let me think about that now. Okay. So is it possible? I'm also writing my note here. Is this possible to always generate unique, right? Sequence, right? So right now my current solution is like I look to this, I expand the thing, set, and then if I found uh, uh, choices that work, then I check for duplicate, then I add, right? So what's the mathematical turtle was saying? Me follow you as well. Hello. It's saying that if it's possible to do like backtracking so that I never get into the checking here, then that could work too. So let me think about it. So you started with this, right? And then you basically pick a number. So in this case, for example, 1 here, 2, right? So if you pick 2, then the thing that you can pick is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 until 9, right? Is it possible to not like later on if you do 2, right? um then you don't pick one. Hold on, let me write down. I have the small notebook here. I have another 30 minutes, so I have to do a quick break. So thank you for the suggestion. Oh, Midnight Simon rating with a party of 36. Wow, thank you, Midnight Simon. How is everyone doing? How's 36 people? Sup? Hey, what's up, Midnight Simon? What are you doing? Let me see your channel. Midnight. Thank you for the raid. We follow you. Oh, lead code contest start in 10 seconds. I'm still start practicing, but I could try. Oh, Midnight Simon, you doing game dev? That is cool, man. What game are you doing? Oh yeah. I'll probably join the contest later on, because I have family call in like 30 minutes. I'll do that, and then I'll play some games, and then I do contest in the night. Maximum difficulty lead code. Belinta. How's it going? Let me follow you. Well, I suck at lead code. That's what I want to stream me talking and trying to implement stuff. As far as I know. Cool. Like Midnight Simon, you do some cloud code. Into the vibe. Maximum difficulty. I vibe code and lead code on my channel. Oh, wow, nice. Very cool. Yeah. I see that. Vibe code is the wave. Or is this a sine wave, or is it a cosine wave, or tangential, or whatever? Yeah, I'll add the vibe code later on, because I want to implement some of my approach, and then probably ask the AI for stuff. I'm using Gemini so far. Right. Can really leverage AI to lift mountain, but that's just my opinion. Well, yeah, like well, if they can figure out a way to let me buy less expensive RAM, I appreciate it. Oh, you gotta go. Okay, thank you, Midnight Simon. Thanks so much for the raid. Thank you for following Spetsnaz Logic. Let me follow you as well. Spetsnaz Logic. What? Is that bot? Spetsnaz Logic. I don't know how to spell, guys. But yeah, I'll be here till 7 p.m. PST time. Then after that, I have to do the I have to family call for like 1 hour or so. Then I'll play some game. Then I back to this. I don't stream. You don't stream? Come on, do it. I follow you. Thank you. Wow, Midnight Salmon got like 10k follower. Wow, that's amazing. Lamau, what are you laughing at, bro? stream. Well, how is Midnight Simon? Is he cool? Seems like he's doing cool stuff. Lead code practice. And they're saying there's some lead code contest right now, right? Or something. No, I give all of my. I usually give all of my follow. Oh, weekly contest live now. You register. You can't participate unregistered before contest begin. Your rating stays safe. Oh, but it's end in 1 hour though, guys. Would be. What does this number mean? Ends in Saturday. Thank you for the follow, Blinter5. What happened to the other Blinter? 1 to 4? I guess it's taken. This number counting down here, guys, is like when the weekly contest done, right? Lead code weekly contest time every Sunday. PFC time. Sunday morning though. What? Is this wrong? What does this ends in mean here, guys? Ends in whatever this is. Contest every week. Wow. It's the guy who number 4. Is the how long? Oh, only 90 minutes. Oh, I probably missed this then. So I have to go in 30 minutes. Seems like doesn't work for me because I talk to my family. Oh, it's the LLM 2 guy. Wow. Because I do family call at the same time. So yeah. But yeah, so back to this problem right now. I think my solution is not great, but it works. So I generate all the I loop through, and then if I found one, I do that. So the question next is if is there a solution where basically I don't have to generate, I won't be able to generate the duplicate, and that'd be great. So for example, if I do 1 to 6 here, later on if I'm on 2, I should never go through pick 1 or 6, right? So that'd be great. But yeah, which I'm probably spend 15 or 30 minutes, but I'm like, but I also not in the good thinking mindset because family time coming. So yeah, but I'll think about in the note, and then yeah. Does Midnight Simon have like a website or something? Oh, YouTube channel. Subscribe. Oh, you stream for 150 days later. Okay, nice. That is what? 5 months? Nowadays, I train lead code 3x a week. Pursue golden rank by the end of. Wow. Awesome. He has a website. Just a guy trying to learn some algo. I'm also trying to be a vibe coder. I do this thing live on stream on Twitch and YouTube. Wow, cool. Promote to L4. What is L4 here, guys? Okay, so he works in Google. Okay, level FYI, guys. Let's see. See how much Google make, guys. That's crazy. Wow, Midnight Salmon. That's awesome. What is this salary? So L4 is 296. Wow, that's insane. But didn't he say that he went to NYC? Okay, so the next thing we're gonna ask is 296K enough to live in NYC? Reddit said how did you move to United States with a green card? That's crazy, but awesome. These companies sponsor you, right? Or whatever. So Gemini said 296,000 annually is more than enough to live in New York City. Wow. What how much is rent there? Wow, this is crazy. Okay, I don't want to get into that situation. Wow, dude, this is crazy. First time reaching 2000 rating on LeetCode. Not Salmon. Almost pipped my manager level. Oh. So they do 4 round of algorithm. Wow. 2021. So if you get what's that? Kickstart? Oh, Kickstart. What is Google Kickstart? Wow, that's awesome, dude. Wow. Oh, so he studies full time. Wow, that's amazing. I don't think I'll be able to beat the interview at Google, I guess. I don't know. But that's awesome. Wow. What is this dashboard here? Do you go to some API? Or something? Oh wow. Maybe I'll go check out these tips as well. Guess what? I'm too distracted right now. I'm just gonna click around his website and see. Then I'll come back to this problem later on. Maybe I go follow these guys. Go do that. Pretty cool. Oh, GG Impact. I already Impact. This dude, guys. Just go follow GG Impact. Dude is insane. Dude is so crazily smart. I think there was the video of him interviewing or Neatcode interviewing him or the other way around. That's pretty cool. Go follow all this guy. Hello world, hello world. Forgot how to stream. Wow. The real Raymond John. Feel like I heard this name before. Wow. Nice. Avocado Violet. Ooh, don't know who this is. Oh. Very cool, guys. Is there any other website or people you follow that I should check it out? Drop it in the chat so that I can go follow. This is pretty cool. But yeah, I think I only have 50 minutes left, so let me think about who to raid as well. And then I'll have to be online some other time. So let me do stream manager here. How do you rate though? When you do rate channel, okay. I have to think about that. Okay, can I do software game dev? And can I do LeetCode? Couldn't find any channel based on your filter. Wow. Okay. How did you guys think about game dev? I think game dev is also crazy hard. Some big viewer here. Let's go to some small viewer, right? Well, actually, my viewers is the smallest, I guess. And I don't know. Let's go do some game rating, guys. Right. Well, thank you for the raid, Midnight Simon, and thank you for hanging out, guys. I'll be online a little bit later, playing games though. These problem, I'll think about that later because the game is more interesting. But thank you guys and see you guys later.